Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Konkani recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare patrodo. Patrodo is usually prepared with colocasia or taro leaves, but today here we'll be preparing with palak or spinach leaves. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 3 bunches of spinach or palak leaves, 1 cup of raw rice, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, marble sized tamarind, 7 to 8 dried red chili, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that transfer the raw rice. Now wash this well for about 3 to 4 times until the water is clear, and later soak this for another 2 to 3 hours. Next, take the spinach leaves. Here I have taken about 3 bunches of small and medium sized palak leaves. Rinse and wash this well and later remove the leaves out of the stem. Once done, remove all the prominent veins out of the palak leaf. You can even skip this process, but this just helps the palak leaves to be more flexible while preparing the patrodo roll. Repeat the process for the rest of the palak leaves as well. Once done, set this aside for further use. In the meantime, while the raw rice is soaked well, drain the excess water out of it and later transfer that into a mixer jar. Further transfer the freshly grated coconut, marble sized tamarind, dried red chili, turmeric powder, half cup of water, and grind this into a thick and coarse consistency batter. Once the batter is prepared, transfer it into a mixing bowl, and further into this add the hing or asafoetida powder and salt and give the batter a good mix. Apply the prepared batter generously on the palak leaf and place one leaf on top of the other, and repeat the process for all the palak leaves. Once done, roll this tightly and later secure this with a thread. With the remaining batter, we can prepare more patrodo rolls, or we can even add chopped cabbage or onion and prepare dosas out of it. Next, take a idli steamer and into that add water enough for steaming and allow the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, lower the flame to low to medium and place the steaming plate into it. Fold and place a cotton or muslin cloth and place the patrodo roll on top of it. Now cover this and cook this for another 20 minutes in low to medium flame. Once done, to check if the patrodo is well cooked, poke a knife into it, and if it comes out clean, you can stop further cooking of it. Now carefully remove the thread which you had previously used to secure the patrodo roll, and now your delicious patrodo is ready. You can have this as such along with some coconut oil, or further take a tawa or a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and fry this well on both the sides until it turns golden brown and crisp. So do try this delicious palak or spinach patrodo at home, and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and for more vegetarian recipes, do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.